In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI videos with Google Gemini. If you've ever been curious about how to effortlessly produce compelling video content using artificial intelligence, then this guide is going to show you exactly how to do that in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by opening Google Gemini. This is the powerful tool we'll be using to bring your video ideas to life. You can access Google Gemini from your web browser. Just make sure you're logged into your account before you proceed. Having your account set up and ready will allow you to smoothly navigate through the process and make the most of its features. Once you're in, direct your attention to the interface where you'll see various modes. For our purpose today, you'll want to select the video mode. This mode is specifically designed to harness AI capabilities for video creation. Selecting video will prepare the platform to handle video prompts and provide the resources necessary for generating high-quality video content. Next, let's work on typing out a prompt that describes the scene you want to create. Think about the vision you have in mind for your video, whether it's a serene landscape, an exciting cityscape, or anything else your imagination conjures up. Be as descriptive and specific as you can because the AI will use this information to generate the best possible version of what you envision. If you're not sure where to start, consider focusing on the theme, mood, and key elements you want to appear in your scene. After you've crafted your prompt, it's time to set any extra details. This could include aspects like duration, stylistic preferences, or particular elements you want to highlight. Tailoring these details helps the AI understand your vision more comprehensively and ensures the final outcome aligns with your expectations. Now you're ready to submit the generation. Go ahead and click that submit button, and the AI will begin processing your request. This step requires a bit of patience, so take a moment to relax as the technology works its magic behind the scenes. This is where the power of artificial intelligence shines as it transforms your textual description into a visual masterpiece. Once the video is generated, it's essential to review it. Look over the result with a critical eye, checking to see if it matches your original concept. If there are elements that need tweaking, don't hesitate to refine them. The iterative nature of this process ensures that you achieve the highest quality possible. You can adjust the prompt or details and resubmit if necessary. Finally, once you're satisfied with the output, it's time to download or share your video. Whether you're uploading it to your social media channels or saving it for a presentation, having your final product ready to go is incredibly rewarding. Google Gemini makes it easy to export your video in various formats, ensuring it's compatible with whatever platform you choose. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive journey from idea to video using Google Gemini. Remember, the more you practice and explore the tool's features, the more creativity you'll be able to unleash. Happy video creating!